Are you aware of the power of communication in business? This video explores how communication shapes strategic and operational objectives. Discover the essential skills for meaningful business interactions. Communication can make or break a business's strategic goals. It connects internal and external stakeholders effectively. Overcoming communication barriers is crucial for success. This unit aims to equip you with fundamental skills. Learn to communicate effectively in varied contexts. Communication is a process that involves various models. It includes upward, downward, lateral, and vertical communication. Models like Berlow's and Shannon-Weaver's explain these processes. Linear, interactional, and transactional models are key. Each model offers unique insights into communication dynamics. Communication serves to inform and express feelings. It also imagines, influences, and meets social expectations. The process involves encoding, transmission, decoding, and feedback. Understanding these components is vital. It applies to business and personal scenarios alike. Communication is present in all life aspects. From business to politics, it is essential. Businesses use it to market products like computers. Parents use it to instruct children. Feedback is a crucial part of the process. Business communication involves sharing information within and between organizations. It uses verbal, written, and electronic channels. Effective communication builds relationships and credibility. It facilitates collaboration among stakeholders. Marketing is a vital aspect of business communication. Internal communication occurs within an organization. It includes manager-employee and team interactions. External communication involves stakeholders like customers and investors. Both types aim to achieve organizational goals. They maintain a positive image and ensure compliance. The linear model flows one way from sender to receiver. It includes encoding, message, channel, and decoding. Noise can interfere with message delivery. This model lacks feedback. It is a straightforward communication approach. The interactive model involves two-way communication. Feedback is a key component. It allows for adjustments and clarification. This model includes roles like encoder-decoder. Noise can still affect the process. Aristotle's model focuses on the speaker and speech. Lasswell's model analyzes communication's societal function. Weaver's model deals with encoding and decoding. Berlow's model considers emotional aspects. Schramm's model emphasizes encoding and decoding importance. Feedback is essential in communication. It ensures the message is understood. Feedback allows for corrections and improvements. It is vital in both business and personal communication. Effective feedback leads to better outcomes. Effective communication is crucial for business success. It aids in coordination and decision-making. It resolves conflicts and builds relationships. Engaged employees contribute more effectively. Communication drives innovation and growth. Clear communication fosters teamwork. It allows for idea sharing and skill combination. Teams achieve common goals through collaboration. Understanding roles and responsibilities is key. Effective teamwork enhances business performance. Communication ensures informed decision-making. It shares relevant information and opinions. Feedback leads to better problem-solving. Decisions align with organizational objectives. This results in improved business outcomes. Engaged employees are motivated and committed. Communication involves them in decision-making. This increases their sense of belonging. Engaged employees drive business success. Open communication fosters employee satisfaction. Open communication helps resolve conflicts. It prevents misunderstandings and escalation. Constructive dialogue fosters a positive environment. Addressing issues timely is crucial. Effective conflict resolution strengthens relationships. External communication builds trust with stakeholders. It is crucial for business growth. Clear communication maintains credibility. It ensures compliance with regulations. Strong stakeholder relationships are vital for success. Communication fosters creativity and innovation. It encourages idea exchange and feedback. Innovation keeps businesses competitive. New products and strategies result from open dialogue. Communication drives organizational growth. Clear communication ensures efficient operations. Employees understand roles and policies. This leads to productivity and effectiveness. Communication aligns actions with goals. Efficient operations enhance business performance. Transparent communication ensures compliance. It protects the organization's reputation. Accurate information maintains public trust. Communication with regulatory bodies is vital. Reputation management is crucial for business success. Effective communication is the backbone of business success. It enables coordination, decision-making, and innovation. Now you understand how communication drives organizational growth.